Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. For today's recipe, I'm going to show you a quick and easy sesame chili dipping sauce. This is great to have with fresh vegetables, or if you have some rice paper rolls, for example, then this is absolutely delicious, because at the end of the day, a good sauce or a good dipping sauce is going to help you eat more fresh vegetables and more fresh salads. So I am all for that. Load up on those nutrients, and if you need a good sauce to go with it to help it go down, then by all means use it, because it will make it not only delicious, but it will help you to eat more of the nutrient rich foods that you should be putting into your body anyway. So for this recipe, you're just going to be using 3 simple ingredients. I've got a little mixing bowl and a whisk ready to go. And first up, I'm just going to add in 1 tablespoon of tamari, or you could use regular soy sauce or coconut aminos, whichever you prefer to use. Next up, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce to this mixture, and 2 teaspoons of tahini. So this is just ground up sesame seeds, and it's loaded with calcium. Tahini is very nutrient rich, absolutely delicious, and you don't need much to add a creamy, rich flavor. And then just give that a little bit of a stir through. And if you need to thin it out a little bit more, if you actually want to use it as a salad dressing, for example, then you can always add a little bit of water, or what I like to add in is a touch of coconut water. So I've got some coconut water here going in, maybe a tablespoon's worth, and just whisk it up and it's ready to go. So like I said, you can thin this out as much as you like to have it as a salad dressing, or keep it thick if you want a thicker dipping sauce. But this is so easy, delicious and tasty. Let me know if you give this a try and what you think. And also, why not join us in the free Cooking with Plants Facebook group, where lots of us are sharing ideas, tips and tricks, and you can share your photos as well of what you're making. I would love to see what you use this dressing for, and I will leave the link to that group in the description box below. So I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope that this helps you to eat many more greens and vegetables, and I look forward to seeing you very soon for the next recipe. Bye for now.